Hi, this is Yashwin, and in this video, we are going to be looking at finance for kids. Finance is also important, and all kids have to know about the importance of finance at a young age, and everybody should start investing like Warren Buffett. I'm going to be telling about him in the end of the video, and I'm also going to be uploading about him, all about him, and about his investment plans and when did he start investing and all those stuff in my future video. So without any further ado, let's get started with our topic. And today's topic is expenditure, salary, savings, and investment. So okay guys, first of all, let's start with salary. All of us do some chores, and the money you deserve from the chores you do at your house or your workplace is known as salary. So if you do any work at your workplace or at your house, if your parents wanna reward you, they'll give you some money, or you always get some money for your work which you're doing in your workplace every month, or you also get annual income. So let's move to expenditure. Even if your age is less and even if your lifestyle is different, we all have to help our parents in their expenses. Even if we are so young, we can help them with something, or we can also reduce their expenses. Like if you want to buy some snacks or some sporting things, sporting stuff, like if you are playing football, if you save uh, money for like a few months, you can also get your own football jersey or your football shin guard, your football boot by yourself. But still, you have to save your money for that. And our next topic is going to be saving. Saving is very important. Actually, let's see what saving is first of all. Saving is the money which is left behind after our expenses from our salary. So salary minus expenses is equal to savings. For example, if your salary is 1000 rupees and if your expenses are for almost 600 rupees, if you have 400 rupees less left behind, that money is your savings. So actually, how do you save money? You actually put that in a piggy bank, right? Even I have a piggy bank of my own which I used at my young age. But still, we all are going to be teenagers. Most of us are going to be teenagers. And some of you watching this video might already be teenagers. Actually, the disadvantage of keeping money in your piggy bank is that your money does not grow at all. Even if you keep your money for 6 days in your piggy bank, 6 months in your piggy bank, 6 years in your piggy bank, it does not grow at all. If you keep the 400 rupees, which you have the 400 rupees left, if you keep that in a piggy bank, it does not grow. Even if it takes years, it does not grow. But when it comes to investing, our money grows day by day. The value of our money increases. That's only because you buy stocks and when you do some SIPs. So okay guys, with the money that you have saved, you can buy any stocks, or you can also have do some SIP plans. So for somebody who does not know what SIP is, it's systematic investment plans. So you can also do some SIP and you can also save your money with that. So I'm going to be uploading about all these important stuff in my future videos. Every small concept is going to be a video on It's Me Yashwant nowadays. So you guys must watch this video and share this video to everybody for letting them know about the importance of finance. This is not because I'll get views and all those stuff. It is because everyone should know the value of finance. Let our India become a well-developed country because of finance and because of investment. Investment is the key for the growth of India. So okay guys, spread this message to everyone. Bye. See you later.